Starling's vision for hiring people is we want tech brilliance, yes. We also want a lot of variety in the organisation. So we don't just want to consume identikit CVs with the same 5 years experience in the same set of corporates. And one of the things I love about Makers is the variety of backgrounds that we get through that organisation.
At Starling, I think they really care about learning, and yeah, the culture is one that is really open to people learning new things and just sharing knowledge amongst ourselves.
I've been here 6 months now and I've worked in 3 departments. It's great because I've got a lot of experience of different working styles, different code bases, different languages. The stuff that I find I enjoy the most is the back end, which is less tangible visually, but I find it much more satisfying.
And the kind of makers mentality of seeing something and wanting to get involved with it, whether it's maybe a language they've never used before or just a different type of challenge, and going, that looks interesting, I want to get involved with that. That really works with our culture.
So when I joined Starling, I sort of made clear to them that I wanted to work in mobile development and pick up those skills along the way. So yeah, I think the most exciting thing has been being able to build a feature on both the Android and iOS platforms. Yeah, you kind of feel like you can learn anything once you go through Makers.
Makers produces brilliant people. I mean, there's a variety of reasons for that. I think, firstly, there's a bar to getting into Makers, which is really important. That there's a selection process. The people that would choose to do Makers and have the aptitude to get into Makers are already a pretty elite bunch. And then the process there teaches them how to learn, which is huge. People who are able to just self-start and go and consume a new technology and figure out how it works and get on with it. And also just the engineering basics that Makers, test well, collaborate well, try not to make it about your ego. All of these qualities come out of the Makers people that I've met.
We're really committed to helping our people to grow and to develop, and I think we've brought on such curious, passionate people that want to roll up their sleeves and get involved with everything, that it's only right that we give them the opportunities to do just that.